It is an absolutely beautiful day here in Birmingham this afternoon, and I just want to take a few minutes and show you a little bit about one of the areas that I know you read about so often on our blog, and that's the Crestline area of Mountain Brook, Alabama. And you've seen the numbers, and I wanted you to kind of see the homes behind the numbers and get an idea of what it is that you get for the money. And this is Stephen Wolf with livinginbirmingham.com, and what I wanted to do this afternoon is just take a few minutes and drive through part of the Crestline area and give you an idea of what's going on in the area. I will tell you that you may notice as we're driving around some Halloween decorations, and that is because it is the week before Halloween. So without a doubt you are going to see some Halloween decorations in some yards, and that is not part of the usual the usual things you see in yards. Not normal ghosts. So we're going to take a few minutes. We're going to drive around the area. I'm going to show you some homes to get an idea of what you can see. You will notice as we're driving around there's probably a lot of families in the yard, and that's because in this area there are a lot of families, and you'll see them fairly often just driving around the area, children hanging out in the yard and enjoying themselves with each other. We are on Dexter Avenue right now in the Crestline area. I'm going to try and go back and forth so you can see homes on both sides of the street. I'm sure you've already noticed by now, the Crestline area is very lush, lots of trees, lots of greenery, a very friendly place. As you're watching this video online, one of the things I know you'll notice is, I'm going to have this inserted later, but you'll notice that I'm going to put in here some of the sales information for the year. That way you can get an idea of what homes for this area sell for. I think we're about to get to a point to where I am going to call this tour quits. Getting a little backed up, and there's no sense in us just looking at stopped cars out here. Just after school, and I was getting stuck in some after school traffic. So I think this is a good stopping point, since we are at the stop sign. And I hope you enjoyed this short little tour of the Crestline community in Mountain Brook, Alabama. Have a great day.